Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to change email on LinkedIn. So after you log in with your account on LinkedIn, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click on me right here, and you're going to be able to see settings and privacy. So just go ahead and move along to it. And what you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead to the sign in and security. And what you're going to do here, you're going to just go ahead to the email addresses, and you're going to just go ahead and click the email addresses. And if you want to add another email here, you're going to be able to see this is your primary email, right? So as you can see right here, you won't be able to change that email because it is your primary email. But if you want to add another email, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and add the email address. And here it says if you have a verification like verify work email, you can manage it in your verification section, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead and click add email, for example. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and enter the password so I can verify that this is me who did all these steps. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to see a message that says you recently added a new email address to your LinkedIn account. You're gonna receive an email from LinkedIn, and basically to confirm that email address, you're gonna be able to add a link, right? And basically, you're gonna be able to see the verified email under the primary email, and basically you're gonna be able to choose which email that you can make it primary, right? So after you've done, or after you've changed the email and verified it, you're gonna be able to make it primary by clicking make primary next to the new email. And basically you gotta enter your password just to confirm that this is you who's making those steps. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.